Hey y'all, thanks so much for stopping by. I just received my Happy Mail from the Happy Planner from the new 2020 student teacher release. If you want to see exactly what I got,
So grateful
just
and
keep
thankful to
watching.
be able to afford this beautiful Mother's Day gift to myself, okay? So happy that I was able to get what I wanted. And first off, let's start with the mini sticker pad. It has 37 pieces in it, and it is called Wisdom and Wonder. I'll do a quick little flip through of all of them as I go through. The next one I got is the Cool to Be Kind, and it has 569 pieces in it. The Big Rad Teacher, 700 pieces in it. Summer Fun, it has 597 pieces in it. And I got the Born to Shine 18-month planner in the horizontal layout. And then last but not least, I got the student 12-month dated planner. And it is a box kit, and it has a bunch of little accessories that come with it as well. So let's start off with the mini sticker pad. We're going to start with this one. So I'm going to go through and pull everything out, and then I'll be back. All right, so this is the 12-month dated planner in a student layout for 2020 and 2021. So first off, you get these beautiful sticky notes. That was a little messed up, but that's okay. It's just a sticky note. Very cute. And you get 2 washies. I love that. This green is very beautiful. I love it. These colors scream fall to me. They really do. But we'll be using it for all seasons, of course. And then you have 3 sticker sheets. And then you get much packaging. So this right here is a notepad. It's glued at the top, and you can just punch it into your planner. And it has today, tomorrow, and this week as well. And on the back, it says brain dump. And then this right here, this planner is gorgeous. Gorgeous. You mean, I seen it on the Happy Planner website when they were doing the back to school release, and I really thought that this right here was black at first until I went and looked at another picture and saw that it was like a real dark hunter green, and I was sold. So then it's got these beautiful accents of rose gold on the front of it. Let's see on the back. And on the back, it's just regular white, but nonetheless still beautiful. And these discs are beautiful as well. They are plastic, but hey, that's okay. If you want to change them out, you can. I probably will stick with these for right now. Not going to be changing anything when it comes to the outside of the planner. Now, let's see. Hey, Stephanie girl, we see you. All right, take that off. We'll remove Stephanie. Sorry, girl, you gotta go. Okay, so this is the front of the planner. It has this beautiful dark green on the inside. In the first page, it has this Happy Planner Student Edition belongs to, and it's very, very cute because it looks like regular paper. And then you can put your name here. And then we go to the class schedules. This is something that I will not personally be using. Now, if my daughter wants to use this for the up and coming school year, if they go back to school, she is perfectly able to. But knowing her, she probably won't. She's not really into the whole keeping up with the schedule thing, you know, and keeping up with everything that has to do with planning. She just kind of relies on her phone, you know, for different things. But anywho, and now you have your year at a glance. Each month is a different color. Goes all the way up to 12 months. So it starts in August of this year and ends in July of next year. And then this right here is your dashboard, I think it's called. I don't use this on any of my planners. I think I did in the very beginning, but I got to the point to where I didn't care to use it because everything that I needed to fill out when it comes to birthdays, I put it on the monthly thing, so no. All right, let's start with these. I'm going to do a flip through of this starting with the first month and all of the layouts, and then I'm just going to go through each of the tabs. So this is the first one. This is August. Beautiful. This green is giving me so much life. I love it. With the rose gold accent. Beautiful. Okay, so here we go with the first month, August. And even though this is very much ombre or rainbow, you want to say rainbow, The lines are so thin that it dang near looks semi-neutral in a lot of ways, you know. And if you just really just like flip through and just glance at this, you probably wouldn't even notice it unless you really took the time to really look at it. Oh, it has a top task on the sidebar here. And this is the student layout. Now, me personally, I don't care for the student layout. So, probably what will happen, I will probably, if Jasia doesn't use it, I will probably go through and glue down other pages on top of this one for each week. Because I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan. I loved everything else that came with this except for the layout. But, of course, it is a student layout, so that's just what I have to deal with. So, that is what the layout looks like. It has, don't forget on the side with the 4 bullet points, up and coming, and then thankful for. And I wonder if each month has a different block color. That would be, I would say that would be great, but at the same time, this right here is more neutral than, say, if it was any of these colors over here. So we'll see. We'll go into the next month, September, and we'll look in and see. Okay, same for that. That's a different color. Oh, okay. So it's blue. Down here it says I'm feeling, and it has different things on the side. Happy, excited, nervous, tired, sassy. October. Different color, the yellow. November. Okay, you guys, last but not least, I have a beauty in front of me, as you can see. I have to say that this probably is one of the most popular planners that the Happy Planner has had in a while. This sold out pretty fast, and by the time I was able to go on the website to purchase it, it was sold out. And then COVID-19 hit, and I was not able to go to Hobby Lobby to pick this up. So with the new release and with this being back in stock, I grabbed it as fast as I could. So I'm going to open this bad boy up. Oh, and of course, you see, this is Born to Shine. It's an 18-month planner in the horizontal layout. It's July 2020 to December 2021. So I'm going to cut this off. Let's see, how do we want to do this? I need big scissors. So let's cut it off down here first. Take this around. And always save your plastic, because you can use this for just about anything. If you want to add stuff like this on there, just to have it in your planner, you can. Especially if your sticky pads don't come already punched like these are. That's great to keep up with. All right, so let's remove this. Oh, got some of the sticky left on there. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, oh my goodness, she's beautiful. You're gonna probably hear me say that the whole time. But we're gonna go through here. Oh, come on, don't give me no trouble now. Come on. Okay. All right, at first glance, all I see is sparkle, and I'm loving it. All I see is sparkle, and I love it. Okay, so if you can see, these discs are clear with glitter, and they are plastic. You can switch them out if you like, but for right now, they will be staying where they are. Beautiful. Born to Shine. Oh, girl, I love you. You are beautiful. Okay, we have an ombre of stars. We'll take the packaging off, remove Stephanie and the gals. All right, choose to shine. This happy planner belongs to, oh, it's a little plastic piece right there. And you can put your name right there. Plan a Happy Life 2020 to 2021. Then we have Year at a Glance. This is a little different than what you've seen before. And we have these. Oh, and it's very neutral. Love that. And this goes to July all the way to, oh, come on, December of 2021. Then you have your dashboard, which is very neutral. I love that. Even though I don't, like I said before, I don't really use these sides right here, but I like that it's neutral. All right, so I'm gonna flip through the first month and show you the layout, and then for each other month, I'm just gonna go through and show you the months as we go along. Okay, this is beautiful. Love that. All right, here is our full month for July. Super neutral, and I am loving it. Loving it. I don't mind the little speckles of really, really light pink up at the very top. Don't mind it at all. Very nice. Ooh. Talk about neutral, neutral, neutral. Oh my goodness. With this thick black line, but you can always cover that up. Very nice. It's very bold. Very bold. I think that, which, not complaining at all, but it would be nice for this line not to be so bold. So bold. But yeah, super neutral. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna do a little fast forward through all of this, and then I will be back. Very nice. And then on the back, you get a notes page. And then here's the same with the ombre. And it says live creatively. Very, very, very nice. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to dive into this, you guys. I cannot wait. I love to. Let's see, it starts in July, so that's only what, this is May, June. Yeah, so very soon, very soon. All right, so if you guys have any questions about this, just leave it in the comment section, and I hope that you all have enjoyed what you've seen today. And if you want to, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all come back and join me for the next video. All right, guys, stay safe out there and have a great, 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 great day. Bye. Ooh.